there! If you are trying to zip and unzip files on your iPhone, you have come to the right place. Whether you want to compress several files into one convenient zip file or extract files from a zip archive, the Files app has got your back. Let's dive into how you can do this easily. Open the Files app. First, find and open the Files app on your iPhone. Now navigate to the folder where the files you want to zip are located. Then tap on Select in the top right corner or press and hold the file you wish to compress. After that, choose Compress from the options. It will create a zip file for you. How to unzip files on iPhone? This one is a piece of cake. Tap on the zip file. The files will automatically be extracted into a new folder that has the same name as the zip file. By following these steps, you'll easily zip and unzip files on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below.